FLORA's MCP connects Claude to your techniques directly from a conversation. Talk to it, upload your assets, and Claude will apply everything to your canvas. Here's a walkthrough from initial setup to what it can do. There's a detailed guide on our docs that lists all the clients you can use and a description of how to set up each. We're going to use the Claude desktop app for this tutorial. First, have Claude desktop ready to follow along. Go to Claude's settings and open connectors. Click the plus button and select Add Custom Connector. Name it FLORA. Paste the MCP server URL into the remote MCP server URL field and hit Add. Click Connect. A FLORA login screen will appear. Sign in with your account. That's the entire setup. FLORA now lives in every Claude conversation. Open a new chat and start with a question asking to check the connection. Make sure to toggle FLORA on from the connectors panel. Claude will then return your full technique library right in the chat. Let Claude access your brand brief PDF on your Google Drive and ask it to read it and research current visual trends relevant to your campaign. It will create a new project in a specific workspace you designate. Claude will synthesize the brief and search for relevant techniques, and also pull in outside context you can build from. Upload your product image to the canvas and ask to apply the shortlisted techniques. It will call your library and return specific suggestions with reasoning behind each one. Watch the canvas update in real time. Ask a follow-up question to get final outputs that stick to the art direction that has been developed so far. Claude will return a collection of production-ready shots. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.